Let's see how to create a Pareto chart in Tableau. For it, let's drag subcategory to column and sales to rows to depict sales for all the subcategories. Through this, we will get a bar chart. Now, sort it in descending order by clicking on the icon of the descending order from the top. Now, drag the sales column to the right, and as you see the plus sign in the right, drop the column. Now we will get two axes. So in the marks card we will be able to see two axis cards. In the second axis, select the line to create this as line axis, and the first card convert this to bars so that our first axis is in bars. Now in the row shelf, click on the drop down and select add table calculation. In that, select running total as calculation type. Then tick mark the option of add secondary calculation. In the secondary calculation, select the option of calculation type as percent of total so that we get running total as percent of total for the secondary axis, that is line. So now we will get the secondary axis of line in the percent of total. And now for the secondary axis, you can change the color to any different color. For it, click on the color option in the second marks card and select any color of your choice. Now the Pareto chart is ready. For more such tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, happy learning!